In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve an image in Magnific AI Desktop. We'll take a regular image and enhance it using the built-in image upscaler so it looks cleaner, larger, and more detailed without introducing unwanted artifacts. Start by opening Magnific. On the left sidebar, open All Tools to reveal everything available. Choose Image, then select Image Upscaler to enter the enhancement workspace. Next, bring in the photo you want to improve. Click Select Image, go to Uploads, pick your file, and then click Add so it appears in the editor. Give the app a moment to process the thumbnail. Now let's dial in the quality. Start with the model. Pick the option that best matches your image type. Think along the lines of photographic subjects versus illustrations or graphics, so the upscaler makes the right kind of improvements. Presets are a great way to get a reliable starting point. Choose one that aligns with your goal, like extra detail or smoother results. Choose a scale factor to control how large the output becomes. Higher values produce bigger images but can take longer to process. Under Optimized for, select the category that matches your subject so edges, skin, textures, or text get the right treatment. Use the sliders to fine-tune. Creativity lets the AI add or refine detail. Keep it moderate if you want to stay faithful to the original, or nudge it up for more imaginative enhancement. HDR helps balance shadows and highlights, add just enough to increase dynamic range without creating halos. Resemblance controls how closely the result matches your source. Raise it when accuracy matters. Fractality adds crisp micro detail. Increase carefully to avoid a crunchy look. Engine lets you choose the processing approach that best balances speed and quality on your system. If your workflow supports prompting, type a clear, concise prompt describing the desired look, key textures, or important features to emphasize. Short, specific guidance works best. When everything looks good, click Upscale. Magnific will process your settings and generate the improved version. That's it. Open the tool, upload, set the model and options, fine-tune the sliders, add a prompt if needed, and upscale for a sharper, larger, more polished image.